guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ekta. I hope you all are staying safe and doing good. Today I'm going to make a video on misconceptions that people have about cabin crew. So I have noted down all the points which I want to speak about today. So please don't mind if I look down. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, the first misconception that people have about cabin crew is that cabin crew are perfect. So now just let me tell you, nobody is perfect in the world. How can a cabin crew be perfect? I know my few friends saying कि crew से ही शादी कर लेनी चाहिए because उनको सब कुछ आता है. हाँ, you can consider that they know quite a lot of things because even when I was not a cabin crew, I didn't knew a lot of things which now I know because I have been staying away from family like for more than 2 years. Then I became independent. Because I was staying away from the family, I started cooking because obviously I had to cook for myself. So I started cooking. So ऐसे करते करते बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं that you kind of develop, that you know after a while. So I would say that, but nobody is perfect in the world. Second misconception is that cabin crew clean toilets. So let me tell you, the one word answer is no for this, first of all. Secondly, please understand that the cabin, the entire aircraft is our house for those few sectors. So okay, we have to make sure that everything is hygienic, clean and all that over there, okay? But we don't clean toilets after we land. After we are done for that sector with that flight, after we land, there are cleaners that come in and they clean the aircrafts, okay? So during the flight, when we are in air, during the flight, we just make the aircraft lavatories more comfortable for the passengers to use it. So for example, if there is tissues that's over, so we just replenish the lavatory with tissues and all that. We don't like literally go with Harpic and stuff and like literally clean it, okay? So please remove all these thoughts from your mind. Nobody is gonna ask you to clean the toilet literally. So the third myth about cabin crew is that we get free tickets. एक हिसाब से आप बोल सकते हो, but it's not totally true. We don't get free tickets. We have to pay a small amount, but yeah, it is like बहुत कम है from the actual amount, like 10,000 and the amount that we pay. It is a huge difference, I know. But then this is a totally false statement that we get free tickets. So we don't get free tickets. We have to pay a certain amount for that. So guys, moving on to the next myth. The next myth is training. Cabin crew training is easy. Let me tell you, इसका मैं क्या जवाब दूँ? I feel like go give the interview, go for training and then come and talk to me and tell me if it was the training was easy or not. Okay, so the training is not at all easy guys. स्कूल में जब आप होते हो तो स्कूल में आपको 35 से ऊपर जितने भी परसेंटेज होते हैं आपको चाहिए होता है to pass in a particular subject or in a standard, right? But in our training, cabin crew training, it's not like that. We have to get minimum 90% to be passed. 90% से 1% half marks भी अगर नीचे आ जाता हो तो we are fail. We have to give the particular module का exam starting से. And if we fail for a particular amount of time, we have to start the training from the very beginning. समझो आप? So it is not at all easy. We do drills like ditching and all that. And I still remember मेरे case में when I had my ditching drill, it was so cold, the water was so cold and we were in Delhi. ठंडी का मौसम था. Oh God, I cannot tell you in words in this video how painful and how scared I was at that time. So I would just say कि आप मानो ना मानो ये आपका thinking है at the end, but I will just try to explain you in words that yeah, training is not at all easy guys. Moving on to the fifth myth. So the fifth myth about cabin crew is that the passengers, they abuse crew. ये बिल्कुल सच नहीं है guys. Nobody can abuse you यार. And in aviation इतने सारे strict rules है that is made by the DGCA. There are so many strict rules that people in India, they don't even know about that. But then yeah, there are very strict rules that the DGCA have made for aviation sector. जिसके अंडर में कोई भी पैसेंजर अगर आपको अब्यूज कर रहा है या कुछ, द क्रू विल जस्ट फाइल अ केस एंड द पैसेंजर विल बी इन जेल. ही विल नॉट बी अलाउड टू फ्लाई इन द पर्टिकुलर एयरलाइन. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आप आ रहे हो फ्लाइट में एंड यू विल जस्ट अब्यूज द क्रू एंड देन इट्स नॉट दैट ईजी, आप नहीं कर सकते, ये अलाउड ही नहीं है. देर आर सो मेनी रूल्स. अगर किसी को इन डिटेल जानना है तो यू कैन मे बी गूगल इट, you can get some information from there, but yeah, there are many rules that come under cabin crew को protect करता है जो, so no passenger can come and like literally abuse and go. So that was 5 misconceptions about which I wanted to speak on this in this video, guys. Always remember guys, आप किसी भी प्रोफेशन के बारे में कुछ भी गलत सोचते हो या बोलते हो, पहले just ask yourself if you have पूरा like total information about that sector, whichever profession that is, तो पूरा आपके पास नॉलेज है कि नहीं उस प्रोफेशन के बारे में. उसके बाद ही आप कुछ भी सवाल उठाइए या कुछ भी गलत बोलिए, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स आई एम अ क्रू. सो अगर कोई भी ऐसा चीज़ें कुछ भी गलत चीज़ें बोलता है, ऑफ कोर्स आई विल नॉट लाइक इट. मुझे हर्ट होता है, बिकॉज दैट्स अ प्रोफेशन आई एम वर्किंग इन. सो या और एक बात और हमेशा याद रखिए कि कैबिन क्रू इज़ नॉट टू क्लीन टॉयलेट्स या टू आपकी बदतमीज़ी वगैरह झेलने के लिए, वो बिल्कुल नहीं है. दे आर, उनका मेन रीज़न होता है एयरक्राफ्ट में रहने का, इज़ योर सेफ्टी. सारे पैसेंजर्स की सेफ्टी के लिए वो होते हैं. उसके बाद आता है सेकेंड नंबर पे होता है सर्विस. फर्स्ट पे हमेशा सेफ्टी होता है, सेकेंड पे सर्विस कम्स. ओके, पहले हम मेन इसी चीज़ के लिए कि हम आपका सेफ्टी का ध्यान रख सके, आपका लाइफ पे कोई रिस्क ना हो, हम उस चीज़ के लिए होते हैं. द फर्स्ट एंड मेन पार्ट अबाउट कैबिन क्रू का जॉब इज़ दैट ओनली. उसके बाद आता है सर्विस. तो प्लीज़ ये चीज़ कभी मत भूलिएगा. एंड रिस्पेक्ट ऑल द प्रोफेशन गाइज. इतना कुछ पैसा लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट दैट रिस्पेक्ट इट, और बुरी चीज़ें मत बोलो किसी के भी प्रोफेशन के बारे में या किसी भी इंसान के बारे में. ओके, so I hope you guys have liked the video. Please share it as much as you can. Follow me on Instagram if you are not following me yet, and subscribe to my channel. Keep sharing. Thank you so much.